Okay, why do we have a T key going into a Harley?
That was in there when I took it off. I don't know.
I don't
Not
think
correct.
that's not supposed to have a T key
How
in
does
there.
how's that thing look in there?
Is
Not
that
T
supposed to
shaped?
have a T key in
Not
there?
dug out like a T?
That's a T key, see? It looks like a T.
Yeah.
Why do you got a T key in here?
It's the one that came out of it. Will a regular oval one fit?
I don't know.
Half round, what are you gonna call it?
Yeah, it's
Moon?
probably all that fits in there, that's why.
You let the master try and put that baby on there.
Yeah,
Watch it
let's see
fly
how
the
many try.
first time.
You think?
How many times do I gotta put it in before it doesn't work? The thing is, am I gotta put it in before or after I forget to put the chain on it?
Oh yeah. I'm going for the gusto right now. This
If you look
is
at
for
the wear
real.
pattern inside of
So,
this hole,
Is this a new
you notice
chain?
how it looks like it was never even hitting on this side?
Gee, look at that one side.
Look at the wear mark, see how it's different? Not round.
Look at the groove right next to the groove. Is
It doesn't
tore up.
match. Okay, which way did that come off?
just like it's sitting.
I thought you said this chain was stretched.
I don't know, is it?
Well, I've since I talked to Ian about the being able to put the front compensator on
So if you put it on like this, and you go
without
like
taking the
this,
rear.
if it's super loose, you'll be able to see the tooth. Can you see the
Can't.
tooth?
No.
It's fine then.
I thought you said you shouldn't be able to pull the front.
You don't.
There's a method to it. Some guys on YouTube shows you how to do it.
Is his name Tatro?
Nope.
No,
Oh.
Keenan was anti.
This is on backwards. So that's why I listen to Bill.
How do you know? How do you know? it's
He
backwards?
he
Is
put it on
that ramp
backwards.
is wrong.
Okay, turn it
No,
on.
because
Oh, I see the
the
pin.
yeah, no, or even just the
Take this off
Why?
because it's going the wrong way now.
You said it was correct.
It's not though. I see. You know what you're doing. I don't.
I can see what you're doing.
There we go. Get that thing out of your way.
I can do it.
Good thing he's around. I gotta take it off again.
Right. Where's my key at?
3 o'clock. It looks like to me.
3 o'clock in the morning?
by the time you get out of here.
Tell me to mess with this bolt while you're doing it.
Put it in the hole. Doesn't hurt. Okay, where's my flashing light at?
So 88 was the last year of this tapered shaft.
89.
89?
Halfway.
So
So half a year
I'm not
change.
sure what yours is.
So it's clearly later.
You got a spine shot?
Yeah.
Okay. Late 89 then.
Yeah.
I cannot see anything. It's not visible.
How many tries? Scratching up the paint.
Yeah, on my jack.
Was that zinc plated?
Gold erudite.
What are you going to do?
I'm gonna mark it so I can see the darn where the key is.
Oh,
Called witness marks. There's a witness that I marked it. See a witness mark?
bolt went out of the change register too, so
Did.
put that back in before we get too far.
So. Having fun over there?
Not really.
He's having fun. Are you done playing? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I still can't see you now.
First try?
Any light?
Let me turn the light on this guy.
Light is on you. There it is over here. What I should do is mark this over here so I know where it's at. So it looks like the key. Nope.
You're telling me you can't see the Sharpie mark line that you just made on the...
Chain covering it up.
Yeah.
This here lines up with the key.
Is that straight up? Yeah.
So no Sharpie needed.
So slightly forward. Other way.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
About
You mean
to
the
find-
bike that
about to
turned?
find
No,
out.
I'm just talking out my ass. You just keep on going. Oh,
Like the turn, you mean?
that turned it.
Here. Where's my Sharpie mark? Is the sharp mark up? Because it only lines up with one of these, not all four. You happy?
Yes. Yeah.
Probably still not going to work, but.
Lift it up and it might
Oh,
be fine.
mother. God. Wow.
Who's the man? Get that nut
You
out.
done this before?
First time.
on this
There's a big
bike.
nut, Jeremy, in that box right there. Not the one with the compensator.
The front?
clutch nut. No, clutch nut. Holds the clutch hub on. Yep. Let's get that thing on there.
I'm not sure if it's on there anyway right now.
No.
No, I'm not sure.
Can you turn the clutch hub in the middle of it? You should still be able to.
How's this gonna work?
Tell it the transmission.
wait a minute.
If the
What's this
I
gonna
still
do?
want it to fall back off on it.
What's this
Oh.
gonna do?
I just don't want it to fall back
This
off.
is gonna go inside of this hub.
It pushes the hub against the tapered
It's
shaft.
gonna
doesn't
go
it?
inside the holes. There must be something else going on behind it I don't see. All right.
Well, that's a little way in there, isn't it?
Okay, if you go like this and it doesn't wobble too much, you're golden.
So does that mean good?
See how it's not wobbling real bad?
Yeah, see, big time. That means the woods of P went in.
It's barely wobbling. It's not wobbling real bad. So it's probably in there correctly. If
Probably.
it's not in there correctly, it'd be sticking way out. It'd be a lot of a problem.
You got some sort of a
Plus
warranty on
remember-
that?
Plus remember how it was wobbling when we put it in? When
Yeah,
we did
it
was all
wobbled a
over the
lot
place.
more. Yeah.
So it's probably in there. You want to take it out and make sure it's in there?
No, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna go take the transmission top cover off. See the gears will turn when you turn that thing. Instead of taking that off.
Just remove the oil tank.
So what you want to do is
So you
before
can-
I tighten this up, you want to pull it off like that,
One more time.
Why would you do that?
and then you want to see if it's in gear.
It won't go because the clutch is not in.
You see how it's not moving?
That means you're in.
Because the cub's loose, see? So I'm not on the taper. But the key's engaged because it's not moving.
Okay.
When I go like that and push all in, we won't have that issue no more. See, it's all in tight. So you
Good man,
happy?
Keenan. Good man.
So you happy?
I was happy. The first time that thing slid in there, I was happy. I want to put that nut on there just so it didn't come back off.
What nut?
The one you just tightened up.
Oh, that nut?
Now,
Okay.
is the front commissary sprocket now?
Do what?
Oh, my new paint. Look at my new paint job. I got to put
Oh. It looked pretty good.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
I use very little of your paint, too.
What's the factory torque on that?
That.
Okay.
Right there.
It's tight.
This is the important one. It's 200 up here.
200.
I didn't put a torque wrench on it.
200 inch pounds?
Feet pounds.
Where's your nut? Where's your sprocket?
You're gonna need one of
What's
these.
that socket you want?
Inch and a half up. Inch and a quarter.
Inch and a quarter. Inch and a quarter.
What did that say on the side of that socket?
Inch and a quarter.
You get the.
He said it was an inch and a quarter. It's an inch and a quarter, right?
Inch and a half.
This doesn't fit.
Yes, it does.
Where's your washer?
One thing I was concerned about was this wear mark right here.
What wear mark?
Right there. No, don't
That
be concerned
dent?
about it.
What wear mark?
Don't be concerned about that. Is
Where's this wear mark at?
that too high?
I don't know how tight was that.
I don't know. That's what I did with mine.
That's too loose.
What did they say? 5/8?
I got the nut in the washer for that.
Where's the nut?
That same
In
box.
here too?
Should be a single nut. Yeah.
Should be
Yep.
this
there a
is the
flat
nut.
washer? Maybe a single one.
Yep. A thicker one? Oh, that's a nice washer.
My 9/16 was back here. Somebody's stealing my tools.
How tight do we want it?
Are you
What
done?
did they say about
Okay.
5/8?
First you gotta engage it. So it'll go someplace. About there.
Perfect.
Everything he does is perfect.
Yeah, it could go one tighter.
One more notch up.
I was told that you should measure 5/8 from here up.
That's about an inch and a quarter, isn't it?
Yeah.
Your finger fits in there.
You got a 5/8 finger?
So your finger's half width, finger goes up.
There you go.
That's
Yeah.
a finger.
How
I think that's loose.
How many O-rings did you put on this shaft thing right
I
here?
don't put any O-rings on.
What? Well, then you're gonna leak out of your inspection cover. I replaced this one and then that one in the back, so just two.
Isn't there two in the back?
No, there's one that you put on. The other one is for the slot for
What's the
the.
third one for?
There's 3
3 grooves.
in the back.
Yeah,
There you
no
go.
better.
I like that one. The other one's racing fit. This is street
But if yours
fit.
ain't leaking, mine's not going to either because I only got one on it right now.
Now, if it's a race bike, you put it that
No,
much
it's gonna
longer.
leak because the seal's in the wrong way.
Do you hear me? It's a race bike, you want on the looser side.
Yeah, I forgot about that part. Race bike what? You want it tight like that?
You run it loose when it's not tight. It's
That's loose?
Yeah.
Is that more than a 5/8?
Yeah, it's about what it was before.
No, a little tighter than it was, I think.
When I move it one notch, it got tight. So the adjustment's too coarse.
Can I put the clutch plates in?
I don't know. Is this tight? Lock? Not gonna
Yeah,
fall
I
out?
I've
didn't
never.
loosen those up.
I should never.
I didn't loosen them at all.
It's perfect. Gives you that, you know, in case it. What? That's not supposed to move?
No.
No.
not?
No.
Well, those are bent over. You never loosen these.
I didn't touch them.
That doesn't mean it never wears.
Oh yeah, those do wear out, but
Not supposed to be loose like
Should they
that.
replace it?
It shouldn't be loose like that. Just because you get a lock tab doesn't mean it's tight. Lock tabs do not keep stuff tight.
keeps things from backing off.
It keeps the bolt from falling out. When it gets so bad it comes out anyway.
Is that 7/16?
Looks like it.
It's this half-inch one over here. Or 9, what is it, inch and a quarter you said?
What?
Inch and a quarter.
Oh. What is it, inch and a half? I had to dig hard through my
See how
boxes.
much tight do we go? It's tight plus a half a turn, right?
Oh my god. And that wasn't even very torquey or nothing.
So what?
Oh, look at that. It doesn't move.
Wow.
Imagine that. Not that much torque.
I thought I was supposed to give a little wobble there for
Not that much torque.
the slop goes into it.
Not that much torque. Not that much torque. Not that much torque.
Trying to
enough
break
torque?
that? Trying to break
You
that?
put the brake, will the thing go back on there? The little lock tab
What lock tab?
is on a flat surface.
You got a lock tab somewhere? I got a hammer says it'll fit.
Dang dog.
Dog. There's a dog around here.
Not anymore.
Scooby died.
Look at that.
So much better.
It's not self-adjusting anymore. Okay, what else do you want me to do correctly?
Clutch plates.
Okay, looks like that might engage.
The copper washer and it goes on that thing.
And don't put your finger in here if the battery's on. It'll be
Don't,
turning.
yeah.
It would be turning right now.
Well, also make sure you put.
We never put that battery on the charger, did we?
Oh.
Look at that, it engages.
That's where the 2 seals went.
Wow.
Okay, it appears to be working correctly. You got an O-ring on there?
Yes.
Is that the right one?
That's a nice one too.
It might be a little
How
oversized.
tight was that inch and a quarter nut?
That was 200. So
200 inch pounds?
200 feet down
200
on
inch
the
pounds.
manual.
Newton meters.
Look at that gear ratio improvement we got. Look at that. Oh, it locked up. Put it the other way.
I locked up all the tires in the belt.
Yeah. Because he put it back. He made it go backwards.
So it quit making noise.
Cool.
Ooh, I can shift. Okay.
You don't need any of this stuff in there. It's
No, it's all extra parts.
just all extra parts.
Yeah, we don't need none of this crap.
Plates.
None of this crap is needed. I'll be back. There's an edit.